Alright guys, in this video we are going to start our complete training of QuickBooks, and the best way to learn QuickBooks is working on the practical assignments, because I believe that theoretical knowledge is not as effective as the practical one. So we will start with our first assignment, which is a trading company assignment, and we will completely see how you can implement the system of QuickBooks in any company. So let's get started. So let's talk about Zen Traders. Basically, it's a company who buys and sells the car parts. Now in this situation, let's imagine that the company was working for 10 years. They started 10 years back, and now they are planning to shift all of their accounts in QuickBooks and ask you to transfer all the transactions of 10 years to the new version. What you will do as an implementation team? Let's say that you are providing the QuickBooks consultancy. What you will explain your client in this situation? In this situation, you will advise them to close their accounts of, let's say, 2023. On December 2023, they should close their account and find the closing trial balance. And that closing trial balance is transferred as an opening trial balance in QuickBooks Desktop version. So this is very simple. Just apply the cutoff procedure. Cutoff means at a specific date, they need to finalize their accounts, tell you the balances, and from that point onwards, you will work on the new software. You cannot transfer all the transactions into the new software like this. So firstly, you will explain this. This is the first rule of software implementation. Just keep that in mind whenever you are implementing any particular software, or an implementation team is working on that software. Regardless of whatever software they're using, this is the rule that they will follow. Now at this point, I want to explain you that if you're not understanding this terminologies like the cutoff, the trial balance, balance sheet, this is the basic terminologies that we use in accounting. If you have some confusion, you can just make a note of it, whatever terminology I used, and just Google it. You will find the explanations regarding that. So it will be very helpful for you to move forward. Although the software is not very complex, even if you have the basic knowledge of accounting, you can still work on the software. So this is the complete scenario of our first assignment, where the company is trying to implement a new software, and they were working before manually. So they have to extract the closing trial balance of the last year on 31st January 2023, finalize all the balances, and then they will enter this one as opening balances in new QuickBooks. So to download this assignment, you have the resources section with this video. Just click on that and click on the assignment. It will automatically be downloaded, and then we will follow along in the next video where we will create this company from scratch and then enter the opening trial balance and create all the ledgers and their balances. So let's move to the next video.